Welcome back to Visions fans. A really quick announcement video. I thought it was worth just a minute of your time rather than posting an announcement or something. There's a massive WOTVcalc.com error, like absolutely massive error that I have been talking about as fact for the past 2 or 3 weeks. It's shaped how I think about Jeume as a character, and although it changes nothing about what we saw today in terms of videos, obviously the videos are proof of what reality is, it does change the mental math of a lot of things for me that I absolutely need to talk about. It's about the passive. This is listed incorrectly on WOTVcalc.com. For those of you that don't use the website, it is a fan-made site, so nothing official, and it's quite frankly the best site for anything War of the Visions. If that website didn't exist, quite frankly, I don't know if I'd play the game. Like, it's such an amazing source of knowledge. But for this passive, there's errors obviously sometimes with the data and whatnot, and this was both on the JP version of the site and the global site. This Windhaven 2 ability this is currently what it looks like at max, and I have some of these blacked out just for the sake of clarity. Increased defense of 15, and then increased slash resistance and pierce resistance of 10%. And the extra parts, the abilities here, is that every time you get hit, they increase by 5% up to 3 times. That's what the website says. That is wrong. The reality of what this does, and I've tested this in game, someone brought it to my attention on Reddit, that extra 5% to each hit is only on the defense. It is not to any of the resistances, which does, quite frankly, change a lot of what I thought about the character. I'm still super psyched about her, and I think she's a great tank, and obviously if you watch my showcase of her, she's still super viable. Just, again, mental math when I'm thinking about the character and matchups and what I should reasonably expect to see. It changes the way I thought of things, where my assumption was at max, Jeume would get up to 40 and 45% resistances for slash and pierce. In reality, it's just 25 and 30%. Those are still good resistances, but that's a pretty material difference between the two when you're talking about the character at base versus what I thought she would ramp up to. So I wanted to make a video announcement highlighting it just so everybody knew, because I've been talking about it a lot, and I don't want any misinformation going around here. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all soon.